Hello children, I would like to welcome each and everyone to the virtual class. And we have already started with the lesson, that is lesson 6, and the name of the lesson is Games We Play. And before we start with the new topic, let us have a quick recall of what we have learned. So, first thing, we have learned the meaning of games. Second, we have learned different types of game. Third, different rules for different games. So coming to the first one, it is the meaning of game. What is the meaning of game? An activity that one engages in for amusement or for fun. Okay, where you feel happy, you feel enjoyment, where you feel pleasure. Okay, it is a one type of recreational. You make yourself happy. Okay, and moreover, you can play alone or in a group. Then we are coming back to types of games. How many types of games there are? There are two types of game. Number one, indoor game, and number two, outdoor game. Indoor game is that played inside the house. An example of indoor games are carom, chess, ludo, and so on. And outdoor games mean children played outside the house in an open space. An example of outdoor games are cricket, football, volleyball, etc. Then moving on to a new word, that is court. Children, you have got the word court. Courts. What does that mean? What is the meaning of it? It means that an area drawn out on the ground. They will mark the area and they will do the drawing on it. That is used for playing sports. For that particular sports, there are some sports that are being played in the court, on the court. And what are those? Tennis, basketball, volleyball, badminton, and so on. So the court is made, it is drawn, it is marked, and there inside the court, the players play the game. Okay, children, and we also have learned that there are number of players who participate in different types of game, like tennis, badminton, table tennis, or long tennis, where 2 to 4 members can play. Again, coming to outdoor games such as cricket, hockey, football, kabaddi. How many people are there? In cricket, you will find 11 players. Hockey also 11 players. Football also 11 players. And kabaddi 7 players. Okay. Now, moving to the new topic, children. Let us start with the new topic. Okay, children. Now we are going to start with our new topic, importance of game. So what is the importance of game? So playing games is good for our body. It makes us active, strong and healthy. We play games to keep ourselves fit. So children, we should play games to take care of our body because it makes our body strong and healthy and keeps our mind active. We should play games to keep our body fit. Okay children, now there are some benefits of playing games. So what are the other benefits of playing games? Let us discuss that children. It is in page number 30. Some other benefits of playing games are they help us to spend time with others and make new friends. That means when you are not feeling well, you want to go out and you want to play, you can play with your friends and you can enjoy and you can spend your time. Okay children, now they teach us to work hard. If you play a game, you want to win that particular game, yes or no? So you will work hard. You can learn that in studies also, if you work hard, you can win or you can do better. And in games also the same. If you work hard, you can win the game. They help us to think better because in a game you should have it helps us to think also. We suppose you are playing badminton, which way to go to give a good shot or which way to go to move our racket. You are thinking that in that manner. So same, it will help you. Then team games help us to work in group and help another. And if you play any team games, children, what does it what it teaches us? It teaches us to play in a group, to help one another. Okay, that is very important. We should help our friends so that we can move together. And it is very important to in a team game that all the participants play together and then they will give their full support to win that particular game. So these are the advantages or importance of games we have learned. So before I wind up my class, I want to have a recall of what we have learned today. The important thing we have learned today is the importance of games. Why games are important to us? Why should we play games? Because it helps us to build our body. It keeps us strong, healthy and fit. Okay, and apart from this all we have other benefits also. And what are those? Children, if you it helps us to make new friends. Okay, then it teaches us to work hard. It teaches us to work hard. If you put little more effort, you can learn or you can succeed or you can win. Then they help us to think better. You have the ability of thinking. Oh, we have to move that side. We have to run that side. So you're applying your brain to think to win that game. Then the most important thing, team games help us to work in group and help one another. And that is the most important thing is that we should all in a team game we should help our friends. We should collaborate, we should cooperate and work together so that our team wins. Okay, these are the things we have learned for today's class. In the next class, we are going to learn more about it and we are going to discuss the workbook also. Okay, children, thank you and have a nice day ahead.